In this module, I will discuss my understanding and what I've learned in the module Integrated Logistics and Supply Chain. In this module, I understand more about logistics and supply chain, like how they plan their strategy to really work in the business. In this module, logistics defined as a business model and supply chain management is structure where departments, workflows, resources, flows are all synchronized to work together. I understand now why different level of trade-offs are necessity because it's increasing resilience, improves sustainability, and growing responsiveness to the customer expectation. Even if we have e-commerce now, I learned that physical distribution is still important and matters because it makes the products faster shipping, it reduces the logistic cost and give higher customer satisfaction. I understand also why planning is essential in distribution and logistics as it helps ensure the effective implementation of the total logistic and enables trade-off to be made. It allows the company to make well-informed decisions regarding customer service, channel distribution, production location, transport modal choice, and many other aspects of the logistic process. It helps also the company to classify the decision if it is strategic, tactical, or operational that vary in their company. When it comes to competitive advantage through logistics, we all know that companies constantly looking for the means to differentiate themselves from rivals, providing comparable goods or services. But through logistics, your competitive edge will be by providing customer high-value services at a lower cost or with better advantage. That's all I understand and I learned in this module.